Benefits of drinking turmeric tea. Turmeric has been an essential component of traditional healing and medicine for over thousands of years. The spice is often linked to multiple health benefits, such as a healthy immune system, pain relief, healthy cardiovascular health, to name a few. To prepare turmeric tea, you will need other spices: clove, cinnamon, nutmeg, and pepper. Boil all the spices in a cup of water and let it steep for a while. As the water changes color, strain the mixture into a cup and add a teaspoon of honey to it. Stir and enjoy your drink. Curcumin, a potent antioxidant that makes up about 2 to 6% of the spice, is great for healing inflammation and body pain. It is a recommended cure for people who have rheumatoid arthritis. Along with other powerful antioxidants, curcumin also stimulates the body's metabolism and also helps in burning excess body fat. This is hugely beneficial for people trying to lose weight. The active ingredients in turmeric tea help counter the toxins released from cellular metabolism that are responsible for various chronic diseases, apart from escalating the aging process. Turmeric has long been known as a destroyer of cancer cells in the body. Turmeric tea is an excellent treatment as well as a preventative measure for cancer. Studies suggest that it not only helps in killing the cancer cells, but also keeps them from forming. Drinking this tea on a regular basis can help reduce the levels of bad cholesterol in the body. It prevents the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, which further prevents the formation of plaque in the arteries. This tea is a great detoxifier. The active ingredient present in it stimulates the functioning of the liver and helps eliminate the toxins in the body through sweat and urination. The anti-inflammatory property of turmeric tea helps to reduce any neural tissue inflammation and sharpens memory and cognition. 1 cup of turmeric tea is said to contain about 15% of an individual's daily recommended iron intake. So, drinking a cup of this tea every day would not only improve the blood circulation, but also help in the formation of RBCs. Increased RBC count naturally speeds up the healing process of the body. Turmeric tea can be consumed 1 to 2 times every day, if you are using it for any specific health concern. Although there are hardly any side effects of this herbal tea, it is advised that the daily intake of turmeric should not exceed 1,500 milligrams. Subscribe and press the bell icon on the YouTube app to never miss an update from Organic Facts.